How to cancel one item on Shein order. For this, you have to open any browser that you prefer and search for www.shein.com. Shein has become one of the best and leading online fashion retailer, offering you trendy clothing, jewelries, beauty products, and more, and yes, at affordable prices. Since it is user-friendly and it has a user-friendly interface, you will be able to cancel an order without a hassle. So once you are in the Shein homepage, make sure that you are logged in into your Shein account. For that, tap on the user icon and then tap on sign in. To check out your orders, again you have to tap on the username icon at the top. Then from here you have to head to my orders. Now once you tap on it, you will find all of your orders recently and previous one. So all you have to do is go ahead and tap on cancel order next to the order that you want to cancel. Now make sure that it is on processing. However, it says transit or en route. The canceling process will be much harder. Now once you have tapped on cancel order, you have to let them know why you actually are canceling this order. So once you have selected a region and tap on submit, you will be confirming your order cancellation. And voila, just with a few clicks, your order will be cancelled. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.